So good morning students. Today we will discussing about the refraction of light. What is meant by light? Light is a form of energy which causes by sensation of vision. It's called as light. When the light rays falls on the object, it compacts to entering to our eye. That can be visible of the any object. When the light rays falls on the object, it compacts to entering to our eye. That can be visible of the object. For example, back side is there. When the same light rays will falls on the object, but it cannot enter into our eye. That's why taking the back side will be objects are that cannot visible, unvisible. The front side is there. When the light rays falls on the object, entering into our eye, it can be visible of the front side. Okay. Refraction of light. Refraction is a property of light and some phenomena of light also. Some different properties are there. There are some certain properties are there. Rectilinear propagation and beam of propagation and reflection, refraction. Those are in the different certain properties are there. We will discussing them one by one. Okay. First one is the rectilinear propagation. What is mean by rectilinear propagation? Rectilinear propagation means the light ray traveling in a single straight line. The light rays traveling from one point to another point. Single straight line is called as the rectilinear propagation, or also called as ray of light. Ray of light. Okay. Second one, beam of light. What is mean by beam of light? Beam of light means it has two or more single straight lines. It has two or more single straight line light rays is called as beam of light or bunch of light. It's called as the beam of light. When the single straight lines, two or more single straight lines is called as beam of light. Okay. Third one is the reflection. Light, it has the different certain properties are there. We will discuss them one by one. Reflection of light. What is mean by reflection of light? When the light rays falls on when the light rays moving from one point to another point, one place to another place. When the light rays is traveling from one place to another place, when the obstacle is placed on the path, after striking, it can be bounce back to same medium. After striking, bounce back to same medium. For example, in this the light ray. The light ray moving from one place to another place. When the obstacle or object placed it in the path of the ray of light, after striking the ray of light, it's bound back to same medium. Is called as reflection. For example, I will take in the one example is there. Here the objects or obstacles such as the mirrors. This is the obstacle or objects such as the mirrors. For example, this is the mirror is there and light is there. Okay. When the light rays, see, when the light rays initially in this point is there. See, initially in this point is there. See, in this point. This is reflection. This is the incident ray. This is the refractor ray. Here is the normal line. Normal line always perpendicular to surface of the objects. Normal line always perpendicular to surface of the object. This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. For example, see, in this the board, the image will be formed, the light will be reflected. See, initially in this point is there, in this point is there, and this is the reflector ray. For example, see, then the objects, see, this is the angle of incidence. Here is the refracted. Here is the angle of incidence. The angle between normal to incident ray. This is the incident ray. This is the normal line. And this is the refracted ray. Reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. This is the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. The angle between normal to reflected ray is called as angle of reflection. This is the angle of incident. The angle between normal to incident ray is called as angle of incident. When the objects, when the light rays falls on the objects, it bounces back to same medium is called as reflection. That phenomenon is called as the reflection. Objects such as the mirrors. You will take any objects. The object surface is very smooth. That can be reflected. It can be reflection procedure is there. When the object surface is irregular, they cannot be reflection procedure. For example, I will take in this is the object is there. Object surface is so smooth. And the object surface is so smooth. It has some reflection procedure. For example, see, the image formation is in this point. See the board. See it in this point. See the board. This is some procedure is there. When the object surface is so smooth, that's some the image formation is there, reflection is there. Reflection, see the board. It is reflected rays are there. For example, I will take in the one plate is there. This plate surface also so smooth. This plate surface are so smooth. It can be reflected. It can be reflection process is there. See it. See the board. It can be reflection process. See, observe them. This is the angle of incident. This is the angle of reflection. Means object surface is so smooth. It can be reflection procedure is there. For example, I will take in the object is irregular object. Object is irregular object. For example, this is the pad. Is the pad surface is irregular. There is no reflection formation. There is no reflection procedure. Any procedure is there? No. There is no reflection. Why there is no reflection? Means it has some object surface is irregular. That is there is no reflection in this the object. This is the blank plate. Object surface is so smooth. It can be formation of reflection procedure. We will take any objects. It can be object surface is smooth. It can be reflection procedure is there. Irregular means there is no reflection. That is the main point. Okay, this is the angle of incident. This is the angle of reflection. Okay, we will discuss in the laws. There are two laws are there. Reflection of laws. First law is the angle of incident and angle of reflected and normal line. are in the same plane. Lights are same plane. Same plane means here is the angle of incident, here is the angle of reflection. Normal line are in the same. For example, anyone, this is the 3 point, anyone is different direction means the different. Here is the same plane. Second law is the Snell's law. Sin A by sin R is equals to constant or n or mu. Mu is equals to sin A by sin R is Snell's law. Mu is equals to sin A by sin R is called as Snell's law. Okay, these are the only 2 laws are there. First law is the incident ray and reflected ray at normal line are in the same plane is called as first law. Second law is the Snell's law. The ratio of the sine of the incident angle by sine of the reflected angle is equals to constant. That constant is called as the n or mu. N means the refractive index. Okay, we will discuss in the refraction procedure. Okay, this is the reflection and loss. Okay, next one is the refraction. What is meant by refraction? Same light, here also using same light, but it has the 2 mediums. Okay, here is the refraction. Refraction of light. Refraction also is a property of light. When the light rays moving from, it has 2 mediums. Air medium to water medium to air medium, or air to glass also. Refraction procedure take place, it has 2 mediums are there. Same, for example, here we take in the 2 mediums are there. Downward is water medium, upward is air medium. When the light rays is traveling from one medium to another medium, it has bends like this. This is the normal line. This is the normal line. Normal line is always perpendicular to surface of area or surface of interference. This is meant by interface. Interface means the separating 2 mediums. Separating 2 mediums is called as interface. The normal line, this is the straight line, is normal line. Normal line always perpendicular to interface. This is the incident ray. Incident on the surface of 2 mediums and bends to another bends and enters to another region. Is called as refraction. Means it is deviations are there. It means deviation. Deviation. Why will be deviation? It has some 2 mediums. For example, here we take only single medium is there. Air medium, here also some air medium. Both are in same medium. Straight line. Yes, here is the air medium. Here is the water medium. The light rays is moving from air medium to water medium. Deviates from the original path. This is the original path. This is the original path. The light rays deviates from its original path. Is called as the refraction. That phenomenon is called as the refraction. Bending procedure. This is the angle of incident. What is meant by angle of incident? The angle between normal to incident ray is called as angle of incident. This is meant by angle of refraction. What is meant by angle of refraction? The angle between refracted ray. Here is the refracted ray to normal line is called as angle of refraction. Here is the angle of incident is greater compared to angle of refraction. Okay. Here also same similar. For example, I will see the one example. This is water medium is there. This is surface is upper is air medium and downer is, this is the one example is there. This is the glass tumbler or plastic tumbler is there. Inside some water is, I will put in the some water. When the pen is dipped on the water, see it is observed that some inside of the water is deviates. Inside of the water is deviates. Compare both mediums, air medium and water medium. Here is the straight line is there. Here is some incident ray. Here is inside of the water is some deviates from the original path. From its original path. That is meant by refraction. For example, here we are taking one prism is there. Prism is the transparent glass material. When the light rays actually in this point is incident ray. In this point is incident ray. For example, when the light rays passing through the prism, it can be deviates in this point. It can be deviates. See, in this the point will be formation. In this the point will be formation. That is meant by refraction. Okay. Here also same similar. This is the incident angle. This is the refracted angle. Okay. For example, why it is bending? Why it is bending? When the light rays, here the speed of light in air medium is more compared to water medium. Speed of light is more. Here is the speed of light is in water medium is lesser. Say the values also. Speed of light in air medium is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in air medium value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Here is the speed of light in water medium. C is water medium. Speed of light is equals to 2.2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in glass medium. C means the speed of light. Speed of light in glass medium is equals to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That's why taking the bends, the light rays bends to another medium. Here is the speed of light is more. 3 into 10 to the power 8. Here is the speed of light is less. Water medium is 2.2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Less speed is. That's why taking the light is bending. Here is initially is in this position. It is bends. Speed of light is less. Bends. That's why taking the deviates from the original path. It's called as the refraction procedure. Okay, we will take any medium, any two mediums, air to glass, glass to water, water to glass, or glass to air also. Two mediums, they will be bends like this there. Okay, laws. Next we will discuss about the laws. Here also same similar as two laws are there. First one is the incident ray, refracted ray, normal line. Incident ray, refracted ray, and normal line are in the same plane. Normal line are in same plane. Second one is the Snell's law. Snell's law. Snell's law means the ratio of sine of incident by sine of refracted is equals to constant. The ratio of sine of incident to sine of refracted is equals to constant. That constant is called as N or mu. N or mu. What is meant by N or mu? Is refractive index. Is refractive index. Okay. What is meant by refractive index? It is denoted by N. Refractive index is denoted by N. N or mu, both are in the same. The speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium. Vacuum means the C by speed of light in medium. Medium means V. N is equals to C by V. It's called as refractive index. Okay. For example, here I will take in the another medium. It has two mediums are there. The one is water medium and upper is air medium. This is the normal line. Normal line is always perpendicular surface of interference. When the light ray is moving from water to air, when the light rays is moving from water to air, like this refraction. Why will we like this refraction? It is away to normal line. Why will be this increasing? When the light rays is incident, when the light rays is passing from water medium to air medium, means water is the less medium, less speed of light. Air is the more. That's why it will be increasing. Here is the angle of incident. Here is the angle of refraction. Water is less speed. Air is more speed. That's why the refraction is takes more, increasing angle of refraction. Okay. Here when the incident ray moving from water to air medium away to normal line. Here is when the light rays is moving from air to water is towards to normal line. Towards to normal line. Either is away to normal line. It depends upon the speed of lights. Is moving from air to water, water to air, any two mediums. It depends upon speed of light. Okay. Now let us discussing about the rarer and denser medium. What is mean by rarer? What is mean by denser? What is mean by rarer or denser? Rarer means rarer medium. Rarer medium means when the light ray is passing, its speed of light is more speed is called as the rarer medium. Here is the air medium is the speed of light is more is there. More means the rarer medium. Here is the water means the speed of light is less speed of light compared to air, means the less speed. That's why here is the denser medium. Rarer medium means the speed of light is less more. Speed of light is more. We will take in the rarer medium. Here is the speed of light is more. What is mean by denser medium? Denser medium means the speed of light is less. Less speed of light is we will take in the denser medium. We will take in the rarer. Here is the light rays moving from denser to rarer medium. Denser to rarer medium. Before we will discussing the rarer. The light rays is moving from rarer to denser. These are the two mediums are there. Okay. Now let us discussing about the different critical angle and total interreflections. Here is the downward. Downward is the water medium is there. Here is the air medium. Upward is air medium. Downward is water medium. Air medium is the radar medium. Water medium is the denser medium. Here is the when the light rays is moving from water medium to air medium. There's some bending procedure. This is the normal line. Here is the angle of incident. Here is the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. When the light ray incident on the interface. When the light rays enter into interface, means the what will happen? There is some bending procedure. There are some two mediums bending and enter into another result. There is some refraction procedure. Next, I will increasing the angle of incident. Next, I will increasing the angle of incident. Means angle of refraction also increases. I will increasing the angle of incident. Obviously, angle of refraction also increases. Depends upon speed of light. Why will be increasing? Sin I by sin R is equals to constant. Angle of incidence also increases. Obviously, angle of refraction increases. Okay, get the normal line. Here also some increases. Next, same similar. I will increasing the angle of incident. Refraction also increasing. Next, I will increasing the angle of refraction. The refraction takes place. The refracted ray passing through the interface. When the angle of incident, when the angle of incident ray increasing, refraction takes place passing through the interference. That is meant by 90 degrees. Refracted angle takes 90 degrees. Refracted angle takes 90 degrees. When the incident angle for which the refracted angle is equal to 90 degrees, that incident angle is called as critical angle. Say that once again. When the incident angle for which the refracted angle is passing through the interference means 90 degrees is there, that incident angle is called as critical angle. This means the I is equals to C. This is incident, this is refracted, this is incident, this is refracted. The incident angle for which the refracted angle is equals to 90 degrees, that incident angle is called as critical angle. Okay, next I will increasing the incident angle. Next, I will increasing the incident angle. It's here also incident angle. It's come back to same medium. When the incident angle is greater than the incident angle, next I will increasing the greater than the critical angle. I is greater than C. Next, incident angle is increasing the greater than the critical angle. Refraction angle come back to here is the refracted angle, means bounce back to same medium. That is meant by total internal reflection. Say that we will discussing that again. When the incident angle increasing the critical angle, when the incident angle is increasing the critical angle, means bounce back to same medium. Bounce back to same medium. This is called as the total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Okay. Some properties are there. Total internal reflection. First one is some applications is there. First one is the brilliance of diamond. What is meant by brilliance of diamond? applications of total internal reflection. First one is the brilliance of diamond. First one is the brilliance of diamond. Okay, this is the diamond is there. When the light ray is striking on the diamond, there are some two mediums are there. Here is the air medium, here is the inside is glass medium. Diamond means the glass transparent material. When the light rays is incident on the diamond, has two mediums are there. Refraction. Again reflection, and reflection. Total multiple reflections are there. At the one point will be bounce back to outside will come. When the light rays will be multiple reflections, multiple walls are there. Reflections is multiple surface, multiple walls are there. When the after the so many multiple reflection, when the light rays will be outs come, means it will be shines are there. Diamond will be shines. Why will be shines will be? It has some multiple reflection, so multiple surface of the reflections are there. That's why the diamond will be, it will be shines are there. We will discuss in the second one. Second one is the optical fibers. Optical fibers means the same, here also same similar. There is some one pipe is there. When this is the light is entering to optical fiber. This is optical fiber. Optical fiber, it is some coated is there outside. The surface will be coated. Coated means some when the light ray incident on the optical fiber, it has some two mediums bending. It has some multiple reflections are there. Reflection means multiple reflections of the surface. At the one point will be comes out. Here is the optical fiber. Optical fiber is used to stomach pains. Inside stomach we will use in the optical fibers. And also telecommunication. Data will be transparent to the in this the point. In this the optical fiber. There is no loss of energy. Telecommunication mainly we will use in the optical fibers. When the data is passing through the optical fiber, there is no loss of energy. It can be multiple reflections also. There is no loss. We will use in the telecommunication optical fibers. Okay. Next one is the mirage. Mirage is the total internal reflection. Mirage is the optical illumination. Okay. Mirage also so many. There are some multiple reflections are there. Multiple reflection. Again at this point will be reflections are there. Mirage means the sun. In this the sun is there. For example, this is the tree is there. This is the sun. The sunshine will be falls on the tree. It has some different layers are there. In this the hair medium, different layers are there. Here is the normal. Here is hot. Here is very hot. Here is the cold. Here is very cold. Here is the earth. Downward is earth. When the sunshine will be falls on the tree, it will be bounce back to same medium. It will be, for example, in this point I will take in the bounce back. There are some two mediums are there. There are some cool and normal. Two mediums. Two medium is refraction. It is also similar. Refraction. It is also similar. Refraction. In this the point will be some reflected. In this the point will be some refraction. Refraction means R is equals to 90 degrees. When the incident angle for which the refracted angle is equals to critical angle. Refracted angle is 90 degrees. That angle is called as critical angle. For example, I again increasing the incident angle. It will be bounce back to same medium. For example, a person is standing on this point. This will be false. This reflector will be entering to our eye. For example, this back side is water is there. The image formation is the water. When it has two mediums are there. When the sunshine will be falls on the tree, it has some two mediums refraction. It has some two mediums refraction. It has some two mediums refraction. In this the point. When the incident angle for which the refracted angle is 90 degrees is called as critical angle. Again increasing the incident angle is increasing. Refracted is, here is the bounce back to same medium is reflection. In this the reflected ray will be entering to our eye. I will extend to the back side. In this is the straight line will be I will extend some back side will be some water is there means the image formation. The tree image formation is in this the water, that is meant by mirage. Because of its total internal reflection. This is the total internal reflection. It's called as mirage formed on the water. Some hot summer days will be formed. For example, in this the roadside, some bends are there. Road will be bends. In this the bends will be some oil or in this the mirage formation. It's like this way. This is the mirage. Okay. This is the refraction procedure. Okay. Thank you.